Yeah. You got nothing wondering what is on the face. Alright. You know, say kids up there rub up kind of Christmas are come. And we need to look good, you understand? Yeah man, I feel things are going on. I'm saying the girl and get crazy. Yeah. That's it. That's what I do one, isn't it?
Do you think bleaching make you look more attractive?
Of course, because I'm nice. I bleach, I'm nice. So of course.
No. I like my skin color.
So we're there with the general, you see me? Yeah. I want to ask the general for bleaching making get the girl them or sucker. I know say more while you tune on you know a girl them pray hard or just his style or his swagger, you see me?
Well, still for me is, you know, it's not really bleaching still. Me is a boy, I'm full of style and pattern, you know?
Yeah.
Bleaching is just a thing I just say, alright. Cartel being there and say rain race. I'm say, oh, the same.
Yeah.
Bleach put on 2 tattoo and out there said we again. Still catch a girl in on a level, you know?
Yeah. Why you say bleaching make you look nicer?
Because when you bleach, you get brown, you get nice.
You get nice.
Yeah, it is nice. For instance, some ugly people, yes, when they bleach, they're pretty. They come out. Come right out.
But you know when we out there, you see me? The full style when I go and say, oh, hello, Mr. Chen, me say, hello, what you need? Me have things in Chinese can tell you. Tell me, you know? Asha. You see me?
Alright, we're there with the young lady, you see me? And the question is... Alright, question is, does bleaching make a person look more attractive?
Yes. Yeah, because you know when you bleach, you just more attractive and man they really doing like crazy. Yeah.
Of course. Attractive and sweet.
Alright, the question is, does bleaching make a person look more attractive?
Of course, it make them look attractive. But if I'm black, I wouldn't bleach. Because it coming like I wouldn't be worthy of myself, I would have a low self-esteem.
Okay, so...
Yeah.
Okay, when you're brown, you can do a little thing, but when you're black...
You could have moved the suntan because we're not wearing our color for we living into the sun country. So you could have moved the suntan, yes, but we don't bleach because it thin out your skin and thereof when you're going up in age, then you're going to be suffered. Suffers a lot of pain because you have poor circulation. For those small vein that is underneath the skin, you're not going to be able to help, but they're weak out.
Okay.
So you're going to be very sickly.
Okay. Do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive?
For some, but for some, no.
You know, have to tell him.
Bleaching to me, it don't really make no sense because the bleaching show up all sorts of spots. So to me, it make a person look less attractive.
Does bleaching make a person look more attractive?
Well, for me, no, it does not, because I am very attractive with my complexion. I am very pleased with my complexion. I don't want to do anything to change it. And wherever I go, I always get compliments about my complexion and never to change it.
No. Because some, normally, it change their character, yes, but you only make them look worse. And some, you only make them look beautiful, but after a while, no monkey then turn.
Alright, we're gonna ask these two beautiful young ladies a question. If when you bleach, does it make you look more attractive?
In some cases it make you look more attractive. Well, for me, I think some features why you kind of come out stronger when you bleach. So yeah, in some cases, and everybody bleaching fit. Cause some people look better when they're in dark. Some people when they bleach, it make them look more attractive than when they're in dark skin. So it really depends on who you ask the question. Yes. Well, for me, yes, I think I'm more attractive when I bleach. Or rather tone.
Yeah, tone for two. I think you say just highlight my features by your face, your body, or whatever.
I'm a routine for Christmas. You know, it's Christmas is coming. Alright. Give me curry. Toothpaste.
Cream that you use to tell her the truth, no find no excuse. Circle the whole 26 alphabet, but take out the young Jew. Kentucky sick of me because me hotter than spice them for know me every girl barbecue. What God just teach me logic, so white in a one. Acid. With the magic, but me I use salt and acid. Salt and acid. With pancake, soap and 2 box of matches. Me I use salt and acid. Now try this.
This is my formula, guys. That's why I'm so white and colorful. When I put too much acid in there, you know it will burn.
Alright, the question is, do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive?
It depends on the person, because some of them look ugly and don't fit them at all. What you say there?
Do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive?
No, they're ugly. Say yes.
Some of them favor gorilla. No, some of them when them a bleaching just a waste their money by bleaching. But again, China top make bleaching. Some of them get.
You have to tell him.
Alright, does bleaching make a person look more attractive from your point of view?
Well, it all depends, you know, on how the person bleach, you know, because if the person tone up his or her skin a little, you know, I think, you know, just not too overdo it. Just tone it up a little way, you know, we don't carry off your skin same and all that. But bleaching upon a whole, me really too support still. But if I think they shouldn't overdo it still.
Overdo it, yeah.
But I think some of them OD, you understand?
Yeah.
Overdo it, you know. But differently, if it fit you, can do your thing, man.
But dance in the street, you see me? Alright, my general question, I want to find out if bleaching make you more attractive and get whole more girl, or just a style or a swagger. Just let me know how go on.
No, man, you know what? I just bleach because I love bleaching, you see me?
Yeah.
Style and pattern you get girl, man, you see me?
Money rain, money rain, wash the pain, rain, money rain, blow down the zinc fence in a me lane. Money are the cure for the youth them pain. Sip honey and a drink champagne.
Alright, we're there with the general, let's see me. And the question is, you think bleaching make you get more girl or something when you tone and you get more attractive to you or something like that?
Of course. Because now you love the light skin man them more. And some love dark skin, but the bleachings and the way they dress, the girl ain't like it. That's it, the image. Yeah.
They say once you tone up and you look like the girl and rush it thing.
Of course, more than the dark skin man.
Does bleaching make you look more attractive?
No.
Okay. You said black is beautiful.
Yeah.
Do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive?
Well, it's each opinion really to answer, but my opinion is I don't think so.
More attractive?
No.
Do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive?
Well, to be honest, some and everybody fit is in me because sometimes some people are ugly now when they start bleach, brother, it make them look wow.
Do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive? Or in your case, do you think bleaching make a nigga get more girl or something like that?
Yeah, man, it make you more attractive. So women normally see and some people normally say when you bleach, then the time they start to see you see me. And some women start run to you when never they see when they have a darker a complexion. So I believe say he put you out, they make you have more woman. You see?
Do you think bleaching make a person look more attractive?
Yes, my general. Yes.
In what way?
No, one good way. You know, say Christmas will come and everybody want get a color. No.
And she plays the way. Style just different.